Good morning, students of class 11th. Welcome to your online classes of English. We will be continuing further now. Now, today in English, under advanced writing skills. Under advanced writing skills, short composition, I will be telling you about poster design. Now, what is poster designing actually? What do you mean by poster designing? Now see, posters are notices, advertisements and invitations combined under one. Posters are what? Posters are notices, advertisements and invitations combined under one. Therefore, they should be drafted with utmost care. Posters should always be drafted with utmost care. The people generally read them from distance and so. Often we are seeing the posters on the walls, on the boards and all, on the signboards and all, on the walls and all, and people often read them from distance. That is known as what? What we call that? We call that poster designing. That is known as poster designing. The letters in a poster must be big. The letters in a poster must be big. You should know where to use block capital letters and where to use small letters in poster designing. You should know that. You should know where to use block capital letters, where to use small letters in poster designing. They may be in the form of large notice, generally put up on the walls or notice boards. They are known as what? Large notice, which is put up on the walls or notice board. It may be colorful, it may be attractive, and tempting posters attract the attention of a large number of people. And tempting posters attract the attention of large number of people. They fire their imagination and influence in their minds. They fire what? They fire their imagination and influence in their minds. Whatever the poster they see on the notice board, on the walls of the streets or the signboards of the streets, okay, they power what? They power the fire of imagination and influence in their minds. That means it attracts their minds. Cinema posters, posters of political parties generally cover up the city walls, adding to color and life in big cities. Okay, it may be any kind of poster. It may be an advertisement, it may be a political party poster, it may be a shop inauguration poster, it could be anything. It could be a poster designing about anything. It could be based on any of the following topic. Now always remember, poster designing always comes under short composition. Poster designing comes under short composition. Now, while designing a poster, always remember that format, content and expression is seen. Okay? While designing a poster, always remember that your format, content and expression is seen. It comes under short composition and it should always be drafted within 50 words limit only. format carries 1 mark, content carries 1 mark, and expression carries 1 mark. And remember that it should be drafted within 50 words only. So that is poster designing. That is known as what? That is called poster designing. Now I will be giving you the hints regarding the poster designing while making the poster designing. Now see, we have already stated about poster are notice, advertisement and invitations. Posters are what? Posters are notices, advertisement and invitations also, all in one. Hence, good posters recapture and recreate. Good poster recaptures you and it recreates you also. The basic mode and style of all these are the three mains of communication. All these are the three main streams of communication in poster designing. A poster should be designed as can be put up at a public place. The poster should be designed in such a way that it could be put up in a public place. A good poster must catch the attention of the passers-by. A good poster must catch the attention of the passers-by. Striking designs and ornate work are two important features of good posters. That means while designing a poster, you should know what designing you are putting in the poster and what imagination you are creating in the poster according to the subject. Okay. And last thing is what? There need not be any details in a poster. Details should not be mentioned in the poster. It should be short and sweet. Okay. Only important issues should be highlighted through catchy phrases. Only important phrases should be denoted in the poster. It means that with the catchy phrases and all. Slogan you can use, tempting and inviting language. Slogans you can use, and it should be tempting and inviting language. That is known as poster. And always remember that poster comes under short composition. It should be drafted within 50 words limit only. Okay. Poster comes under short composition and it should be drafted within 50 words limit only. Always remember, format carries 1 mark, content carries 1 mark, expression carries 1 mark. It may be of 3 marks question or it may be of 4 mark question. If the question is of 4 marks, then your content becomes of 2 marks. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. It may be of 3 marks, it may be of 4 marks. Okay. Now see, one question we will be solving related to poster designing today. Okay. One question we will be solving related to poster designing today. Pay attention to the question. Okay. What the question says under poster designing: your school is organizing science and technology exhibition. Okay. When you are reading the question of any part in your English, whether it may be your literature part, composition part, grammar part, read the question very carefully. Always read the question very carefully, because everything is mentioned in the question itself, and you have to take the subjects of the question. Always read the question with proper attention. Okay. Everything is given in the question. Okay. Now see, your school is organizing science and technology exhibition. In connection with it, prepare a poster. Now what your school is organizing? Your school is organizing science and technology exhibition. Your school is organizing what? Science and technology exhibition. In connection with it, prepare a poster. That means in connection with the exhibition, you have to prepare a poster to bring home to the people importance. To bring home to the people's importance. That means the people should be aware of that. Okay, you are creating the poster. Why you are creating the poster? To make the general public aware about something. To make the general public aware about something. That's why you are designing a poster for the public. Okay. To bring home to the people importance. That means you are making the people aware about your poster. Okay. What you are telling in your poster, you are making the people aware about that. That's why bring home to the people's importance. The question says, of conservation of electricity. What do you mean by conservation of electricity? Power saving, saving electricity. Saving electricity, power saving. That is known as conservation of electricity. Your school is AP Public School. And you have to assume yourself that you are from which school? You are from AP Public School, Daryaganj, Delhi. You are from which school? You are from AP Public School, Daryaganj, Delhi. And you are taking out the poster designing for what? You are taking out the poster designing for conservation of electricity. That means saving electricity, saving power. That is known as conservation of electricity. You are taking out the poster. First of all, always remember, when you will be designing your poster, always make a big square box. Always make a big square box while designing a poster. I will be telling you on the board how it will be designed. Okay. That means we have consulted this question today, so I will be telling you about this question and how the poster designing will be made according to this subject. First of all, what I have told you, draft a big square box. Draft a big square box for your poster designing. Okay. And poster designing should be done within 50 words only. And you should know where to use block capital letters, where to use small letters. You have seen the posters on the wall and all. You have seen the invitation cards also coming at your home. Shop inauguration cards, wedding cards, birthday cards. How they are giving the headings in that. How they are using the letters in that. Where to use block capital letters, where to use small letters. You are often getting pamphlets also at your home. In the newspaper, often they are putting the pamphlets and you are reading the pamphlets. Pamphlets is also the way of poster designing only. Okay, these are the type of poster designing. According to your common sense, you should know where to use block capital letters and where to use small letters. Where you find important phrases, draft it. Phrases should be short. It should be short and sweet. It should not be lengthy. Okay. That means, see, when you are drafting the poster designing, always remember where to use block capital letters, where to use small letters according to your common sense. And it should always be drafted within 50 words limit only. Today I will be telling you about this question. Now see, we have talked about what? We are taking out the poster for what? We are taking out the poster for conserve electricity and conserve power. So heading we have given to our poster design at the top. You can see on the board. At the top we have given in block capital letters, conserve electricity and conserve power. That means you are taking out the poster for what? To make people aware about saving electricity. Now according to the question, everything is given in the question. Only you have to use your common sense while designing the poster. Now you are from which school? You are from AP Public School, Daryaganj, Delhi. Now we have used a small letter here. Now here the phrase was important. That means we are taking out the poster for what? That's why we have used block capital letters. Conserve electricity and conserve power. Then what should come? Your school's name should come. Here you can use small letters. AP Public School, Daryaganj, Delhi. What your school is organizing? Your school is organizing. Now this is an important phrase. Again, you can darken it a little bit in block capital letters. Okay, it is an important phrase. That means you are organizing for what? You are organizing, your school is organizing science and technology exhibition. Your school is organizing what? Science and technology exhibition. Okay. Now you can mention the date. Always put the date, further date. Okay. Further current date. Okay. From 20th March to 30th March 2021. From 20th March to 30th March 2021. You can mention the timing also. Timing from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Timing will be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay. Your exhibition will be from 20th March to 30th March 2021. Timing will be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You are organizing what? Science and technology exhibition. Now see, what are your main attraction? You can mention that in the corner. Again in block capital letters, you can use block capital letters. It's an important phrase. Because what are the main attraction of your science and technology exhibition? You are organizing, your school is organizing a science and technology exhibition. What are the main attractions of that? Okay, you can visit and buy. You can see that also and you can buy that also. You can visit that also, you can see that and you can buy that also. You can see that and you can buy that also. Now what are the main attraction? Again, these are the main phrases. These are the main phrases. Now you can mention in block capital letters what you can visit and buy. What are your main attraction? Okay, you can make a star, you can make a dot. Okay, dark dot. Okay, first point, new power saving electrical appliances. What is the first one? What is the main attraction of yours? New power saving electrical appliances. Okay, second one is what? Low electrical consuming bulbs and tubes. Second one is what? Low electrical consuming bulbs and tubes. Nowadays you are seeing, okay, LED bulbs. It's a low electrical consuming bulbs and tubes, just like LED bulbs and all. Okay, now in our homes we are having LED electrical appliances. Okay, which conserves our electricity. Just like that, low electrical consuming bulbs and tubes, CFLs and all. Okay, LED bulbs and all. We are talking about that. Third point, what is the third main attraction? Electrical appliances. You are having many types of electrical appliances. You are having many types of electrical appliances. What is the fourth point? New ACs and refrigerators. What are your main attraction? New ACs and refrigerators. All these things you can visit also, you can see also, and you can buy that also. And at last, you can end with a slogan. Okay, this is a slogan. Remember, this is a slogan we have given. Power saved is power generated. You can end your poster designing poster very attractive. We have ended that with a slogan. What is our slogan? Power saved is power generated. You can see on the board. Okay. So this makes your poster very attractive. When you are printing on a paper and sending to the people, or printing on a wall, printing on a signboards and all, it makes people attractive and people come to see your exhibition. Okay, so this is the way how the poster should be designed. This is the way how we should be designing a poster. Now, poster could be asked in the examination on any of the following topics. Here, what we have talked about, to conserve electricity and conserve power. We have taken out the poster for what? We have taken out the poster for saving electricity. That means conserve electricity and conserve power. Okay. Now, it could be asked in any of the following subject in the examination. Okay, it could be about health mela and all. Okay, if we'll talk about health mela, okay, we can take the poster for that. Okay, we will talk about cultural evening for slum children. We have organized a cultural evening for slum children. You can organize a poster for that. Okay, it could be about anything. Okay, on any of the following subject, the poster could be asked. To design a poster could be asked in the examination. Okay, so this is the way how the poster should be designed to make people aware about something and to make people come to you. That means through your poster, the people will be attracted, the public will be attracted, and they will visit you and they will come to you to buy your things and appliances. Okay, thank you very much. In the next class, we will be talking about the next topic. Thank you. God bless you all. Be safe and healthy and take care.